A mountain bike chairlift in Arkansas? It's true. Let's go check it out. The Ozark Trails Bike Park opened June 12, 2026. It's Arkansas's first chairlift-served mountain bike park between Bella Vista and Bentonville. It features 20 miles of purpose-built downhill trails designed by Gravity Logic, ranging from beginner to expert. Elevation is 300 vertical feet, served by a Leitner Poma high-speed detachable quad lift. It's about a 3-minute ride to the top. It's located at Highway 71 and Mercy Way on the Bentonville-Bella Vista border. It connects to the broader 550-mile Ozark Trails network, including Little Sugar and the Razorback Greenway. On site, we have Aussie's Ride Plus Dine restaurant, a bike shop, a rental fleet, bike school, and a pump track. The chairlift also is open to non-riders and sightseers. Come check it out. Here we are at the base of the trail here. Oh man, this is really cool. It's like a serious ski resort type vibes, but there's no skiing, it's all mountain biking. They've got this, area here with restaurants, bike shop, rentals, everything like that. There's a really cool area over there we'll take a look at in a little bit, where you can kind of sit down, have a beer after your ride or something. And then you move over, and then we have the lift right there. And then there's just tons of bikes, tons of people everywhere. This is a really awesome fixture here for Northwest Arkansas. Taking a look around here, it looks like you can rent some pretty nice bikes. They've got a full service shop. If you have any repairs you need to have done, you break something out on the trail, you can come over here and get it fixed up. So many bikes, it's really cool. We'll take a look inside the service shop in a second here. I guess you can come over here and get some air and stuff. That's pretty cool. So this is the service shop area. And I guess this is where you can buy your lift tickets and everything right here. Oh, cool jerseys you can buy. That's pretty sweet, huh? Sweet goggles. So check it out, we're right here. This is where the chairlift is. I guess it lifts you up and you have this whole trail system that you can ride downhill and then come back and get back on the lift and do it again and again. That's pretty sweet. Aside from this, it's connected to the entire network of trails that they have here in Bella Vista. And I think you can even take it, take this trail down all the way to Bentonville and check it out down there. I mean, the network of trails they have here is absolutely insane. Look at that. Here we are at Aussie's Ride and Dine. They've got an assortment of delicious food you can have when you're parched and tired from your riding. They've got beer, they've got pizzas. You can pick up right here, hang out in the lobby here. Or you can go outside. There's a nice balcony. We'll check it out in a second. Sit down on the balcony, have a beer, watch people, hopefully not wipe out on the big jumps over there. That's pretty cool. So we got our pass. This is what it looks like. Pretty sweet. I'm not sure if it's just good for one go up. You don't need a bike to go up the lift. You can just go up on foot if you just want to check it out. But I was looking at the pricing here. It looks like you can get a membership, solo pass for adults or children. That's unlimited rides up the lift is $129 a month. For a family pass for your whole house, it includes 2 adults plus children under 18 are free. That's going to be $249 a month, and that's unlimited up and down the lift over and over again as much as you want when the park is open. It looks like there's members only previews and events, so you'll have access as a member to new trails, new features, stuff like that before the general public. and then you get 15% off guest passes, and there's no limit, so you can bring your friends, and if you're a member, they get 15% off on their lift ticket. It looks like flexible month-to-month billing, and you can cancel anytime. So that's pretty cool that that's available. No long-term commitment, and you can ride as much as you want. So here's a better look at the park itself. You start down here. This is where we are right now. You ride the lift all the way up, and then you have an assortment of different trails, different difficulties. Your green one's obviously going to be just like snowboarding and skiing, the easier trails. The blue is kind of like a medium, and there's many blue trails that go down. And then your black diamonds, your double black diamonds are those more difficult trails. I imagine that, yeah, these big jumps and stuff it's black diamond down here, but double black red, I've never seen that. That's pretty cool. What is that? That's a pro line. Okay, so that right there is a pro line and what they're calling it. And then a bunch of double black diamonds over off Sundial Summit. But that's kind of what the entire bike park consists of, as far as riding up on the lift there and hitting all these different trails. That's pretty sweet. And then here at the base, it looks like they have like a stage set up there. I wonder if they'll have some live music or something like that, where you can hang out, listen to. It's such like a ski resort type vibe. Like, how they have live music, DJ at the bottom of the ski resort. You can hang out, have a beer before you. I guess maybe not have a beer before you go riding, but after your riding's done, kind of hang out with your friends and stuff. Check it out, we're going up. It feels weird to ride a lift without a snowboard strapped to my feet. Oh, this is sweet. So we're going up, no bikes. You're allowed to go up, no bikes. And I'm pretty sure we saw someone riding back down. So you can ride back down. If you just want to go up and check it out without a bike, you can do that. But you just walk up. It's like you scan this little card in, and then it lets you in. A little gate opens up, you go in, and then typically you load your bike up and then you get on the lift right away. But there's some big jumps here. Oh, someone lost a thing. Man, this is insane. In Arkansas, we have a ski lift. Well, mountain bike lift, chairlift, whatever you want to call it. It goes pretty fast. It's a little bit sketchy. Huge jumps, huge features everywhere downhill. Check it out. Doesn't seem like there's a lot of people riding the big jumps. I haven't seen anyone ride the big jumps. Maybe it's like 90%, I don't want to say noobs, but maybe 90% beginners. Oh, there we go. Very cool. I bet I would get arm pumped so fast. Look how big those jumps are. What?
So it's not going to stop. You're going to want to make sure you move fast when you get off.
It'll slow down.
It's like they're building some new jumps over here.
Yeah, I bet they're working on features all the time. So there's some massive jumps. Look how massive that jump is right there. Holy crap. Could you imagine hitting that going full speed? That is like a 20-foot gap. Look at that. Ooh, big air. Nice. That looks fun, doesn't it? That's pretty cool. So now we're approaching the top here. I'm gonna lift this up. Oh, it's so weird riding a lift without a snowboard or skis on your feet. Go, go, go. Check that out. That's pretty cool, huh? Boom. Made it up to the top. And then you're good to ride again. You got like a little area right here where you can get your affairs in order. You know, get yourself set up, ready for the next run. So we got the map again right here. So now we're all the way up here and you have a choice. You can ride these. So they have a hiking trail too. So you can hike down if you want. I think we're gonna take the easy route and do and ride it back down. But you got all these choices of all these different trails you can do. I don't know, that seems kind of cool to take the green one all the way down, just take it easy all the way down. And then it switches back right here and then back to HQ. That's pretty cool. We got chill spots. Maybe you bring a little snack or something, some water, hang out before you do your next run. And then you got, what is this, Smokey the Bear? We got Smokey the Bear. We got Smokey the Bear here. Ozark Art. OZ Art, the majestic black bear. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Big old bear. And then you got the trail. Just going straight down. We got a big trail system. Man, that's cool. Need to get a new mountain bike. Try this out. Check it out, now we're riding back down the lift because we don't have bikes. But I don't know, it's pretty cool. You know? I think we caused it to slow down. Maybe, do you think that was us that caused it to slow down? No, no way, we're already loaded up, they would have sped it back up. But check it out over there, that's kind of where we just were. Everyone's getting started on their various trails. Oh, someone's walking some bikes back up. I wonder if someone got injured. Kind of odd, huh? I don't know, it's pretty sick.
Yeah, when you do the dual throttle, you hop on right. Yeah, right after. Yeah, but there's jumps on that roll line. Yeah, roll line.
Seems like it's gonna bring a lot of people here to ride these trails. It's cool to see. So many fixtures and stuff, features, look at those big jumps, that big drop off. This must all be closed. No one's riding that, kind of riding around it. I can't imagine hitting that huge jump, just ripping across. So cool. Dang, imagine losing your goggles down there. That's quite a drop right there.
Look up there. There's really?
Man, I bet people are gonna get injured. I bet there's gonna be some crazy injuries here every day.
Yeah, so did Chris tell you that on his way home?
Yeah, you saw the ambulance? Yeah. Check that out. Back to the base of the mountain. I keep wanting to call it a mountain, but it's not really a mountain. It's kind of just like a
Not a mountain.
hill.
Hill.
Back to the base of the hill. See if we can get off this lift without causing any drama. So you got a whole little area here to service your own bike. Say fill up airs. They got air compressors built into each of these stations. So a little water bottle filling station. That's pretty cool. It's got everything you need. Everything you need for a good ride.